question is... Shut up, everyone. Your question is it more difficult to keep a straight face while fighting your emotions or fighting gas?
Obviously not my emotions, because I just can't even keep a straight face right now. Yeah, I'm a lady. I don't pass gas, so it's really not a problem.
Loophole. The old ladies don't pass gas loophole. But that's actually just something that they put over their asshole to fart that masks the scent. Okay. Special loophole. All right. Can you repeat the question? Oh, keep a straight face with your emotions? Well, listen, I can never keep a straight face because I can't have emotions, you know, because I'm too busy farting all the time, making weird faces, and just... Woo! Who's got time to fall in love, be sad, or anger? The other three emotions when you're just farting all day long.
Gotta go boy with the fart noises, right?
Well, there's only one.
We can't get away with that. I can't be up here go. It's not nice. It's just not allowed. But I obviously can't keep a straight face ever. So I think Matt wins again. Fuck it. I don't know. I like loopholes. Clap again. Clap. Clap.
Yeah, I can't fart right now, so I help you? Yes, will you help me? Will you jump on my stomach? I don't know. Okay, we have a guest farter up here. Hurry up! Let's go. Hurry up.
Fart!
All right, everyone just be quiet. Oh my God! Thank you.
Alright, I'm going to hand the win to Anthony Costa! That Kona wins. Anthony Costa, can we have you to the front, please?
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. It's still warm.
I wish it was warm. It's dragged it up there. I squeezed hard.
You farted our way into our hearts. Your way. I'll let you start. I'll let you continue.